Assalamu alaikum. My app is Kids Education Preschool. The app is basically related to the preschooling of kids of age 2 to 8 years old, and it helps to cover them some basic skills like math, colors name, shapes name, some birds animal portion, and a very important portion included in this app, that is about some high skills in which the student will learn how to match columns, how to paint, how to match to different colors to make a single color, etc. And This application is capable, or you can say this application is run can be run on iPad, Android, iPhone, and Android 4.2 versions and up. Mm, Intended users are children and their parents, might be their teachers, to help them to be familiar with the application and learn uh, properly from it different material. This app is freely available over the Play Store and no cost. App testing is based upon user usability components and usability components learnability. The app is easy to learn for the children as different pictures are used that help the children to learn it easily. Like you can see in the picture that it helps to count, to learn counting for the still children, and they count their fingers based upon the pictures. Okay. Efficiency is about how the application is perform, what is the performance of the application. It give the right answer to any questions. So this application is very efficient, as the answer provided by any person is accurate and efficient. So the application is efficient. It is easy to memorize for the children, as the children are very easy to learn through pictures, and the picture is help more than the words to learn, to memorize the things, so it is easy to memorable. There are not so much error that are found in this app, rather than a few one, and one of them is discussed here. As you can see in the picture, the red circle, the red triangle rectangles, 2 plus 5 is 7, and the blue circle is also 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So this is error. It only accepts 6 plus 1, not 2 plus 5. So this is one error in the working of this application. Satisfaction, it is very easy. It is very easy to learn for the children, for the parents, as to memorize the things, to learn the things. So the parent and teachers are kids are very satisfied by using this app for their preschooling education. Statistical analysis is based upon user interviews and card sorting. User interviews are based upon different questions that are here discussed in numerical form, or you can say in the graphical notation. And the first question is about qualification and age of the parents of the children. I took six users, in which two are very educated, you can say the masters. Two of them are inter and matric based, two, and two of them are illiterate user. And this graphic shows about the qualification and age of the user. Mostly student children's parents are age of below 35. These questions are based upon married. Obviously, all the users through which I conduct interviews are married, and working of them two are working. Others are housewives, and all are using Android phone. Similarly, they rate this application based upon their experience, raise the interface of the application, and rate the icons. You can see these graphs show all the things. It is easy to use the app. You can say the blue line show the experience means how they are familiar. Is it easy for them to be familiar with the app, to be used in with the app? So interface is also very convenient and easy, and icons are used as are also very easy. These questions are based upon memorizable. Is it easy to you to download or register the file? Yes, it is very easy. To the illiterate persons are not much familiar with the process of downloading and registering. So they will. I will help them to learn about the downloading and registering process. Other are very for the other persons or the other users. It is very easy to download and use the mobile. Next ones are terminologies. Obviously terminologies are very easy, that is used according to the age of 2 to 4 years, 8 years old kids. They oftenly use this application for the preschooling of their children. They all are things that mobile application should be need some improvements, and these improvements that you can see in the next phase, that is the prototyping of the application is based upon the user interviews. Could you perform yes, they all are perform some action, some task that I give to them. They are easily perform them. Did the app help you accomplish the goal? All the users are satisfied. Yes, the app is easy. The app is helping them to accomplish their goal, to educate their children. Yeah, navigation is also very easy of the application. Would you like the most about mobile application? Some these are the some suggestions. Some people says animal portion need improvement, some says math, and some says color pictures are need improvement. These are the card sorting techniques. Card sorting based upon different menus and sub menus discussed by the that is discussed in the application, and I have sort them from the parents of the kid that are involved in the user interview session. So user 1 sort this like this, user 2 sort like this, and user 3 sort like this, user 4, user 5, and user 6. All the users sort the cards according to their own perception, according to their own learning through the application. So we analyze the card sorting, and this one is the final, that is based upon the all the card sorting. Most of the students, most of the parents sort the card like this. ABC Math is the main menu, and sub menus are number, sums, missing number, and counting. Basic skills is the main menu. Fruits, parts of body, colors, and shapes are the sub menus. High skills include profession recognition, color making, music instruments and opposites, object, animal word, matching animal parts, cats and dog, and birds. So app redesigning based upon card sorting. So this is the main page of the application Kids University. This is for the language portion, this is for the play button, this for setting, this for the rate application, this is for the exit portion, and this is for the मूविंग नेक्स्ट पॉट. ठीक है. उसके बाद मेन मेन्यू में ये चीज़ें थी. ये आपकी ABC मैथ का पोर्शन है. दिस वाज एनिमल वर्ड, दिस वाज हाई स्किल्स एंड बेसिक स्किल्स. Then available languages, there are multiple languages like English, Urdu, Spanish. Almost 13 languages are available here. Setting options are on of music, on of volume, on of timer. ठीक है. Next, kids university rate application that you can rate. So the interface of this is like this. Share application, you can share with different using different application with your colleagues, with your friends. And ABC math is now included. These sub menus, numbers, portion, missing numbers, sums, counting. And this is the search puzzles. This is for the exit portion and going back to home portion. ठीक है. Animal word, cats and dog, birds, matching columns, and exit and home page button is available. That is not included in the main application, or you can say the application we worked upon is not included main or home page button or exit button. At any position you have to go back one by one. Basic skills are fruits and vegetables, shapes, parts of body, colors, and the other high skills is also music instruments, color making, opposite object, profession. This will help the student to analyze the things and increase their analytical skills. App redesigning based upon card sorting, you can say the user interviews. So these pictures are included in the application that we worked upon. These are the pigs picture, pigs cartoon. That is easy to learn for the application, as the application is not designed for the Pakistani kids, for the Pakistani children. So if we see culturally, so these application, or you can say the kids of 2 to 8 years old in Pakistan are not very much familiar with the pigs cartoons, or you can say pigs. So we can say the parent says that some animal picture that our kids are familiar with them should be included. So so we can add like cats, as the example is given, are dogs, other animal that is easy to learn for the children of Pakistan. Existing is like matching of the colors. uh, Blue and red will be combined as uh, you have to the student have to tell that which color is made using blue and red. So here is the solid color should be used. This is the suggestion of one of the children. We run a test using my group fellow, that is Aisha, with roll number 3, and she recommended me there should be more sub menus. Color combination should be solid and bright, as kid like the bright color. These are the suggestions that is given by my group fellow, and accepted the suggestions, and can be worked upon it, but due to the lack of time I can't properly work upon self critique. I tried my best to redesign this application and created its prototype, but due to the lack of time I can't able to work upon the recommendation given by my group fellow. If I found time, I will definitely work upon the recommendations and work upon the application. So this is all about my application. I hope you learn about it properly. If there is any question, you are most welcome to ask. Thank you so much.